If you are feeling stuck in organizing overwhelm, we are going to fix that today. I'm going to show you a simple 5-step system you can use anywhere in your home. Let's start with this quick win. We're going to the Dollar Tree crafts section to get some of their vinyl paper, and we're going to unify all these different plastic lids that do not match each other and make them look like a match set. I started by spray painting the edges of those lids. Now you don't want to get any spray paint on the inside if you're planning to store food items in these containers. While my spray paint was drying, I cut the vinyl paper to match all the different size lids. Now it's just a matter of sticking the paper on all those different containers and they look like they came together in a matched set. Well, welcome. I'm Shannon from Skip to My Life, and today we're in my downsized kitchen where I am going to show you a really simple 5-step system that I use when I feel overwhelmed by an organizing project. Now you can use this anywhere in your home to get you unstuck and on the road to a more organized space. Several years ago, my husband and I decided to downsize from our 6-bedroom McMansion to a tiny 3-bedroom love cottage once our kids were grown and flown. We always have a challenge of making the very most of this space, but lately I realized that our kitchen had gotten really cluttered and we just needed to revisit how we were using it. Step 1 in this organizing system is to really evaluate the containers you're using. Now we're going to Dollar Tree and I'm going to show you some of my very favorites on a budget. Take a look at what you have and how you're storing things. Are your containers easy to get in and out of? And are they the right size and shape for the space? It doesn't hurt to have some color and style in your containers if that motivates you to put things back where they go. I picked up these 3 different size containers from Dollar Tree because we're going to be creating a morning coffee and smoothie station that is going to eliminate all the counter clutter in the kitchen. Just a pro hack: if you pick up these orange lid containers, soak the labels, they'll come off very easily. Once you've figured out the best containers for your use, take absolutely everything out of this space and wipe it down really well. My best piece of advice to you is do not skip this step. You have probably been rifling around in this space and moving things from one place to another for quite a while, but once the whole area is clean, you will find that you have a new view of it, and it really helps you as you put things back. Well, if you've been around Skip to My Life for a while, you know that I believe in shelf paper. It's just so much easier to clean up. Since I was out, I just used this gold wrapping paper. Once your space is clear and clean, take some time to assess how you use it. Since I suffer from arthritis, it's difficult for me to lift these pots and pans from the lower cabinet where I'd been storing them, so I decided to go ahead and put them in the upper cabinet. Now, this may not be a convenient spot for everyone, but for me it's really functional and it makes working in the kitchen so much easier. I transferred the lighter storage items to lower cabinets where they're easier to get to, and instead we're going to create a very convenient and fun coffee bar. There's no right or wrong way to organize your home. It's just how you use it, how it's most convenient for you, and what makes sense for you and your life. Now, many organizers teach this method, which is called decanting, and it's a fancy word for just emptying the contents of store-bought containers into containers that fit more easily in your space. As long as you save ingredient labels and anything else that you may need to refer to later, there's no need to keep your items in the original store-bought container. Not only do my new smoothie bar containers fit better, but they also allow me to see how much is left in each box. Step 5 is to label your containers. Now, I encourage you not to worry about how fancy your labels are. You can simply write on your boxes with Sharpie, but I love this little labeler that I found, and it's linked in the description box below. Even if you can see the contents of the box through the clear surface, labeling items still helps others, and especially those new to your home, to put things back where they go. If you got a good idea from today's video, please let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. I would love to have you subscribe to our community. It's completely free and we have so much fun here. Comment below and let me know which of these steps you feel like is most important for you to get unstuck from that organizing project that has been hanging over your head. And also remember, you don't have to spend a lot of money on these organization projects. You can usually use things you already have or that you can purchase on a budget. This simple organization system has worked for me in so many areas of our home, and it's taken me from cluttered, overwhelming spaces like this counter and transformed them into things that function and work well for us on an everyday basis. There are so many mental and health benefits to having an uncluttered space. I want to encourage you today to just pick one small area of your home that you've been avoiding and try this 5-step system. Comment below and tell me how it's working for you. If you're still here with me, my friend, it's because you need to hear this message. Today is not the end of your story, so do not give up, no matter how overwhelmed you may feel, no matter what your circumstances are. Do not give up. Keep putting one foot in front of the other.